So today you're watching the Infinite Queen, and so today I have come to Zoological Gardens of Kolkata, Alipur Zoo. I have come and let's enjoy our day now. Come. तो चलो हम अंदर जाते हैं. मेरे फैमिली भी मेरे साथ आए हैं. तो गाइस हम गेट के अंदर आ गए हैं. गेट के अंदर हम आ गए हैं अभी ज़ूलॉजिकल ज़ू का. ये हमारा फैमिली जो आया है. मम्मा 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 हेलो बोलो. तो ये है मेरी छोटी बहन. रुको गाइस. हाय बोलो. ये बोलो बेटा. ये मेरा आंटी है. हाय. ये मेरे दादा अभी मेरा भाई है. तो आंटी हम अंदर जाते हैं. ये मेरा छोटा भाई है. So guys, you can see this is the that very colorful. Oh my God, can you see what's here? Here are the like cocoa. What we can see that cocotos. Yeah. So these are the blue and yellow macaws. You can see there are so beautiful birds. What is this? Oh yeah, the kukutoko. Hey. And you can see these are some type of birds. They look so calm. But I think those are like, I don't know. But these are some kind of birds which I think I know. I've seen. They are like, they eat fish. So I even saw one catching fish over there. There are so many. Now you can see bats. So black and mysterious. You can see they are surrounded by a big tree. They are all having their nap. You can see a large giraffe. It is so tall and so calm. It is so beautiful. It was already close near me. Now you can see it from nearby. Very beautiful but very tall. There are many animals in this zoo, I can tell you. Many like unlimited animals and birds in the zoo. You can see now the giraffe is walking so slowly. It is a herbivore. I think we should go to see the next animal. It is eating, I think, grass. Now it is finding grass. See, this is my little sister. So you can see the lion over here. It looks like it is come straight out of the Lion King. It was very far away actually. Now you can see this is some kind of bird which I don't know. I think this is vulture. Anna? It looks like vulture only, no? So means these are very big. Oh. They're actually very funny also. Yeah, for me, no, birds are the most funniest animals. Now you can see some type of bird over here. I don't know the name, but it's very cute and funny type of bird. So now you can see the blue and yellow macaws. Blue and yellow macaws. So you can see they are looking very funny and cute. They are looking very cute. So now this is the emu, I think. Emu. I've seen emu. It looks very unusual for me, but it's actually nice, and it can be mostly found in Australia, this bird, emu. Now you can see the hyena. It is getting up from its sleep. Now you can see the ferocious tiger. Wow! This is the Royal Bengal tiger, proudly marching up. And because of the crowd of the people, actually the tiger only was scared to come close to us because of the crowd. The tiger was really scared, I think. But it is actually very ferocious. Actually, very, very, very ferocious. There are, I can tell you, so many birds and animals. So now I think it is going to drink water. No. So I think it is looking for something, some food, I think. Now you can see the white tiger.
This is white tiger.
Yeah, I know this is a white tiger. It is looking for something. Oh, it's looking at me. The tiger looks so lazy. I want to sleep. So I can tell you, this leopard who is crawling around us now, he is just like my little brother. He always searches for something. And this leopard was also looking for something. So that's why I named him after my little brother only. And it is also looking very funny like my brother only and so small. Now you can see rhinoceros here. It is looking so mysterious. Let's see, now it is going down to drink water. Very huge it is.
So far.
Yeah, it was very, very, very far. Oh, you can see crocodiles. But I think these were not real crocodiles only. They were statues only. Because they were not moving also. They were not moving also, these crocodiles. So that's why I thought these were statues. They were not real crocodiles. But actually the crocodiles look very real actually for me. You can see, we closely see this crocodile. We can closely see these crocodiles. They're sleeping peacefully. I think these are not real crocodiles. But I think they were sleeping, so that's why they are same. So now you can see this deer over here. I think it is. This is an antler deer. Looking so innocent and cute. This is an antler deer only, no? So now you can see Victoria crowned pigeon. This is one of the most favorite bird because they look just like Queen Victoria. So pretty and beautiful they are. Just like our Queen of England. So now you can see this so beautiful. They are actually blue in color and their eyes are so deep and beautiful. And look at the crown. The crown is so beautiful. And they are like the queen of all birds. They're looking like queen of all birds. But for me, king of all the birds is peacock only. So now we can see a little large type of bird, which is very, very, very बड़ा. ये पक्षी कितना बड़ा है और इस साइड It is actually very large bird. And now we are going. These are small birds, but I do not know the name. The names are also not written on a placard or anything. And see my little brother telling you the leopard was like him only. And now, guys, you should also tell in the comments that if my brother is like the leopard, so much naughty and curious about everything. So much naughty. You should tell, write down in the comments right now. You should tell right now that if my brother is like that. But he's also actually very annoying for me. So now you can see this cage of birds. It's totally a bird. So by the now, this cage which is shown to you, this cage had gotten closed. This was actually a walking pathway cage which was full of birds, but we could have not seen it because if we came little early this side, no, we would have. Now you can see peacock. So beautiful. It is. Now I think this is the king of all birds. Peacocks. Oh, it's looking for something. Look at it. It is. Now I think it is looking for something. See, I tell you, it is looking for something which we don't know. See my little sister who was looking at the peacock. She was looking so curiously. I think she has the same characteristic like my brother. Now you can see this black. This is not swan. Some type of black bird. But this is actually not swan. It is looking like one. Oh, this is the most fascinating bird which I didn't know. Let's look at it. It is like made up of. Its body is made up of scales. Look at it. This is some other type of bird only. And now we are in the literally like in the park of Alipur Zoo. So I think no, it's not Hercules. Hercules is different. So now we are like already leaving Alipur Zoo. It's not leaving, but I love this place very much. Now you can see at the elephants so far and so cute. Look at the baby elephant, how it is wiggling it. Little ears. Not little ears, big ears actually, but it was very cute. Now they are all, I already showed you these birds. These were only that birds which were So guys, आपको अगर मेरा वीडियो को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, and don't forget to smash the notification button. Thank you.